Have you heard about the Saunadude driving through the world? Where he stops and spends the night, it's always sauna time. The camper one is his horse and sauna the carriage behind. This is how he's living right now, this is his perfect life. Look, there is the Saunadude, I see the smoke from pipe. He wears a bathrobe, so I know it must be sauna time. Look, there is the Saunadude, I see the smoke from pipe. He wears a bathrobe, so I know it must be sauna time. If you see the Saunadude parking some nice place, go and ask if you could have a moment of your life. But be careful, I'll warn you, if you have your sauna time, you might want own sauna, but that's just a life. Look, there is the Saunadude, I see the smoke from pipe. He wears a bathrobe, so I know it must be sauna time. Look, there is the Saunadude, I see the smoke from pipe. He wears a bathrobe, so I know it must be sauna time. More steam, oh steam.